to show you guys something. So I want to put all the trim back on the Cherokee, right? And I ordered the trim, meaning the bezels on the headlights, right? The blinker markers in the front and basically the trim around the headlights, right? So the screws that were on it were partially mismatched and old and rusty, right? So I ordered new ones. Well, I got these in, totally different from the picture. I don't know if you guys can see, but that's just a sheet metal screw, right? And I'm not even sure if it's rust proof, right? So so this is $1.20 for this, okay? $1.20 for a single screw. So you go to your local hardware store and you get number 10, 3/4 of an inch stainless steel for this pack of 25 was $6.83 or something like that. So basically about 27 cents a screw. Yeah, don't waste your money on, at least if you're trying to redo the front of your Cherokee. If you're not going to get the stock screws, which was the picture, then you might as well just go to your local hardware store and get these number 10, 3/4 of an inch. And I believe that's pretty much any year of Cherokee uses those same screws on the front. So yeah, get yourself the stainless steel so that way you don't have to deal with the freaking rust on the front again, as far as the screws. So, but I'm gonna go ahead and use the stainless screws. These I'll probably take back or send back if I can, or maybe I'll keep one and see if they rust, so see if they're even stainless steel. But yeah, $1.20 though, as opposed to 27 cents a screw. So yeah, but anyways, let's get these on. And I've been driving around this thing without any marker coverings, so I don't know if that's illegal. I don't know, honestly. I've never been pulled over, passed a lot of cops, but all right, got them on. The screws work perfect. So like I said, go ahead and get the sheet metal screws, number 10, 3/4 of an inch, and they work just perfect on these things. One thing I had an issue with is this one's stripped out, the old screw's still stuck in there. You can replace the little plastic pieces in there, which I'll do someday, but not right now. I mainly just wanted to get the bezels back on, and so that way I'd look, I guess, less ghetto with this rust bucket. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Quick little video on just the screws. So if you need screws, these are a good inexpensive screw that won't rust on you. Alright, talk to you guys later.